Hi, hello everyone. Today let's see the unboxing of Uhuru UM-SF777 condenser microphone. Let me just grab the box and we shall just see how does it look. So the first thing first, in the front of the box we have some bullets to read in, which says cardioid noise cancelling large mic capsule, imported digital audio chip technology, pop filter and shockproof metal anti-skid stand, patent classic appearance design. So let's just turn around and just have a glimpse what else we have. Alright, so we have a certain angle which this picture shows of this microphone. If we just turn around, we just have the instructions. Alright, then if we move on, so we have we have the other side of the microphone, which is the other angle, and yes. Alright, now I have the microphone taken out from the box, and this is how it looks. So this is the first look of it. And before talking about the mic, let me just see what is in the box. So first thing first, we have is the operating instruction. So this just gives an instruction how do you plug and play. So first thing, if I open the page, yes, it gives the instruction of how do you install this microphone in Windows 7, 8 and 10. And on the other side we also have instruction how do you install it in the MacBook. And further, if I flip the page, we have some technical data and all the other information. This you can read through once you have purchased this. And following on, we have the same instructions in different languages such as German, French, Russian, so on and so forth. Now moving on to the actual microphone. So this is how it looks. So we have the tripod stand, we have the mic, we have the pop-up thing, the cover part. So this again you can try by recording with the pop-up inserted and without the pop-up inserted. If you feel any difference, if you like with or without it, you can feel free to do that. And on the other hand, we'll just see how this condenser is gonna fit. It's just so easy to use. You can just move it around and see whichever angle you'd like to use it. You can place it around and fix it accordingly. And secondly, if you see, there is a USB cable. All you can do is just unzip it, and yes, you have the USB cable ready. As I said in the operating instructions, you have how do you plug into Windows, how do you plug into Mac. You just need to follow that instruction, as simple as that, and just need to plug it and follow that instructions. You are ready to go and you can start recording. Boom. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.